Good afternoon. The second video is the one just to getting OnkoDICOM cloned and working on Ubuntu 20.04. Please see the first video to have your underlying system with all the dependencies. That's what this video is getting ready for. So we go to the wiki and Ubuntu, and you'll see that the first video covers this section here. So we will be beginning this section here, and we will be copying and pasting all the way down so that you can follow along at home and see that everything is in fact copied and pasted. Even down to changing the directories. Okay, so now that we're inside the directory, we use poetry, and this takes a long time. All right, so we're going to be here for a while. There were also an issue with PyRadioMix. We're yet to find out or discover the cause of the issue with PyRadioMix. When we do, we will resolve it. However, for the benefits of this video, that error will be left in there so that you can see that you have the same issues that we have. And you can see the issue that we've got there. If we now start the shell, and you can see that it's Python environment, and of course the current dependency which is causing us issues. And when we've got all those, we are now able to get the application to run, and it runs.